He actually brought us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Wow. That's crazy. That's nuts. You think about this tank in like 2 years. All right. Look at those dang bunnies. Saltwater, just gonna keep my eyes off of. Yes. They have a bunch of them. Going home. Thank you so much. You too. I'll come over here. In with their new friend. Let's see what they think of each other. Oh my gosh, dude.
Come on. You've been waiting here for 5 minutes.
What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. You want to just do it for me? Not this again, dude. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here. Today we're at the pet store and we're gonna get a little something. Taylor wants more goldfish for the tank, and I don't want the goldfish to be alone, so we want to get two more for the tank. That way we have a couple in the tank. Marcus,
what's happening?
My hair. Look at my hair. I just woke up.
You got the bed head.
Yeah. All right, we are back here at the fish section, of course. Knife fish. A lot of knife fish. Look at them. Little clown knives. Saltwater, just gonna keep my eyes off of, but I need to find big goldfish. Big goldfish. It looks, I literally just woke up and came here, so ignore the bed head. But again, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, they are here. Yes, yes. They have a bunch of them. You like that one? Is there a frog? Oh my god. This one's really, really pretty. Okay.
Yeah. That one.
That one. Look how big these things are. Stubby little short body goldfish. Ah, look at that big old permanent marker. Well, maybe we should get one fish that I like in this tank.
No, this is my tank.
Huh?
It's mine.
If I've learned one thing in life, just let it happen. If they don't get what they want, it could be a horrible day for you. Huh?
What are you saying?
Huh? Try to guess what that's called.
Spiked pleco.
So this right here is a spiked mouth pleco, everyone.
Is it? Was I right? Look at that.
No, it's called bushel nose pleco.
I was close enough.
The stingrays are still here, and nothing beats these things. Actually, there's only, oh, I was gonna say there's only 2. There's 1, 2, and 3. They're still here. They are still here. They would look so good in my pond, man. Oh my goodness. Dude, buddy had a rough night, huh?
Look at the one on the top too.
Maybe they went out last night. Look at this guy, dude. He's literally slumped. Whoa, look at you, my dude. He's saying hi. What's up, man? Anyway, we're at the goldfish, and this is the 4 tanks that they have. We're looking more up in this corner here. Taylor definitely wants this guy, and I agree with that. That is the prettiest one they've got over here. I didn't actually know how much money these cost. That's crazy. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. These are beautiful fish. And then I think I wanna get this big old one right here. Look at the frog. But no, I really do think I want to get this other big one. We got to get him some friends, you know? He can't be alone in that tank. I had to show this. This is called a yellow leaf fish. Yellow leaf fish. Look at this. It literally looks like a piece of like trash or something on the bottom of the ocean. But that's a fish. You can see its eyeball is right there, its fin is right there, and its dorsal fin is right here. Super weird looking fish. We're all bagged up. Got our goldfish. Sweet. Going home. Thank you so much. You too. Here you go, Tay.
Thank you.
Look at those dang bunnies. Oh my goodness. Goldfish, baby. Look at him.
He looks like
He's got a lot of personality. I think they're gonna be best friends. I really think they're gonna be best friends. All I know is I need to get my hair situated, because it looks like I just woke up and hopped on the camera, because that's exactly what I did. Cover the camera, Tay, and we'll be back home. Ready? Again, it didn't work. One more time. I think you really gotta like slap it, you know? There you go. I still don't think it worked, but if I do it, it works. All right, we're back home. Here we go. Little buddy, you're at your new home. Flip this on in. It'll sit perfectly to acclimate. Look at you, you're so pretty. And you got your friend down here hiding. And this filter won't shut up. It'll catch eventually. Power was off when I walked in here. That's the first time it's ever happened. I had to go click the breaker. Oh, here we go. And while that's acclimating, let's speak on our saltwater tank, because we got new corals. Tommy showed up to do his weekly cleaning on the tank, and he brought us some corals. gonna roll the clips because you know I film everything. Howdy there, partners. Welcome. This is Past Paul here with Tommy. He actually brought us 5 pieces of coral. He's gonna explain each coral and we're gonna put them into the tank. This time on the flip side. Because like I mentioned, we're doing a lot on the office side. As you can see, this side is completely loaded. The other side's a little bit bald, so we're gonna work on that. So this coral's older than us?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's nuts.
That's super crazy, yeah.
How old is it in fact?
Yeah, well, we don't know how old it is, but
Yeah.
it's been in cultivation since 1994.
Oh wow. That's like Taylor's age. I'm just kidding.
It's not. I was born in 99.
Close enough.
Only a few years off.
Dude, that is so dope.
So these are all encrusting corals,
Yeah.
but this one will produce little pillars that come off of it. Kind of looks like a cactus.
Dang, that's cool as hell.
But you know you have all these flowing corals?
Yeah.
So we need some stuff that's gonna grow
Sit.
around them.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. I know we were talking about the other side, but that's just perfect.
that's a great spot for this kind of coral too.
Perfect. All right. We were talking about that. This is what happens, bro. I always try to work on the other side, but I just see spots over here. Watch it. It's so satisfying when it just goes in. Money. On to the next, Tommy. What are we working with now? What's this one?
So this is a John Deere.
Look at that. Cool.
So sick.
Good stuff, brother.
Next we got another Fabia.
Fabia?
Yeah. So this is very similar to this one.
Okay.
That might be perfect.
Why don't we give it a try? And if it doesn't look too good, we change it.
Yeah. So I had this piece a long time ago, and I grew it out from this size to this big. Took me like a year and a half. And some guy came into the store I was working at and literally picked it up, put it in his pocket, and walked out the door.
Oh my god.
Joe Rogan didn't say my name, man. I was a little butthurt. But hey, it's all good. I was on Joe Rogan. That's cool as hell.
Yeah, it's still amazing.
Fish bang. Look, bro, he's out cold. Bro, that is like a arapaima. That's a catfish, right?
He said catfish.
Here it goes. Watch it one more time. Nah, man, I'm telling you, he ain't faking it.
I love it, dude.
Yeah, he woke up.
Just run with it. You got
I know.
that fish.
Oh, don't let anyone steal this one.
I won't. All right. Look at that. There's literally 1, 2, 3. And then another one on the other side. We have one more.
So this
Last
next one's
one.
really cool.
What is this one called?
So I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it.
Okay.
It's either Stylocoenelia or Stylosenelia.
Oh, God.
Those are my two guesses.
Roll the minion clip. I do it every time you say some whack word.
Is it going on this side or that side? See how it's fully encrusted?
So cool.
Say my fist is a rock. All these corals grow like this. Here's the coral, they just go like that. So it's just gonna completely cover the tank. There's 4 right there that'll just completely grow.
It's gonna be sick.
In like a couple of years, bro. So there they are now, all the different corals that we put in. I believe there's another one on the other side too. We also glued the corals that we got in our mystery box unboxing, that video. We actually glued them. We stuck them in the sand prior because Tommy wasn't there. He ended up gluing them all over the rocks as well. This side is our next project. We got to get a bunch of corals for this side. Look at the arrow crab. Chilling right there, he's doing good. We've lost a couple of fish over the last couple of days, but Tommy and I are working on whatever's wrong with the tank at all times. We're always working on any issues that we run into. All the fish, we need more, we need more, we need more. We need more fish. But we need more coral before we get more fish. Oh, look, 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 look. He's like, oh, friends, they're friends. They're so cool looking. So we've got 2 for now. We'll probably just keep 2 because this tank's perfect size for around like 2 of these things. And then we'll also get like a pleco or something to do the glass. I just want to get the right, like very cool looking pleco. Rodrigo at Predatory has some crazy cool plecos, so I'm probably gonna end up getting one from him. In just a little bit, we're gonna get you into your new tank, okay? And this is your best friend. Tay, what did you name this one? Tiny? Tiny. So this is Tiny, I guess. But this little guy doesn't have a name. So once we get new tabs written for him, I just need to get more paper for this thing, but I'm gonna write new tabs right here with the names. So go comment a name for our new goldfish. For now, his name is unknown. So we're gonna have to name him. Comment some names down below, whatever the best one is. I'll pick it and it'll be up on the tank. I'll come over here. And with their new friend, let's see what they think of each other. They're about to meet for the first time. it's like all of a sudden they just start brawling each other and ripping each other apart, what would you do? You'd be like, ah! All right, goldfish are in. Oranda. Oranda. Yours is big. Oh, I say yours, but
It's mine.
they're both yours.
Yeah.
Look, can we just replay that? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is
I mean,
huge.
they are literally best friends. Come on now. They follow each other everywhere. Look, they like rub each other's side. Are they mating already? I think they are. They're showing dominance. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do drop a big fat thumbs up down below. Help me out here with the algorithm. I love each and every one of you so much for watching up to this point of the video. Now remember, PC signed packs are still available on the site. Every order for the next 24 hours comes with a thank you card right here and a PC sticker. So go cop your packs. Top link in the description. Hopefully it hits something good. Got sealed stuff as well. Lots of it. But nothing beats the PC packs. Go check them out. What are you doing? If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And I will see you in another banger. Not tomorrow, but the next day. Peace out.